Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Professor Lee, your professor to discuss this class, Introduction to Statistics, together through the Spring 2020 semester. Unfortunately, I'm not American, so you may notice that my strong accent. So I try to clear what I'm saying, but sometimes you may not get it. So whenever you don't understand, just email me, then I can respond to you promptly and then clarify what I do. Okay, so the purpose of this video is the orientation. So I'm gonna let you know the course requirement and then what this course covers through the Spring 2020 semester. Okay, then let's start doing it. So this class, everything we will use Blackboard. So this is our BMCC main website. So you need to go to this main website, which address is www.bmcc.cuny.edu. Then you will deliver to this website. At this main page, you just log in. So you're supposed to know your login ID and password already. Okay? So let me show you how to log in. So click the login button here, and then you choose the Blackboard. Then you will go to, so in my case, I already have logged in my Blackboard web page, but if not, you will go to the CUNY first Blackboard main page, then you must log in. Okay, now in this case, you choose our course here. So Spring 2020 Introduction to Statistics Math 150-0507. Okay, you click here. Then you see this is our main page. So this announcement, you wish the first, and then that's the really important board here, because weekly announcement I always post here, and then whatever we have any important announcement, you will see on this board as well. Okay, so now when you look at this left hand side, so you will see all the menu here. Okay, the first thing is announcement I already told you. And now if you click course information, then you will see several documents here, especially course syllabus and course information and course grading policy. So if you click course syllabus, then it will ask you to save it, but I already saved it, so I'm not going to do it. And instead I'm going to show the syllabus and then review with you. Okay, so this is our course syllabus here. So as you see, this is online class, and my name is Dr. J.K. Lee, and then my email, I posted 2 different emails here, but I recommend you using Gmail account most, because I'm getting more than 60 or 70 emails through the BMCC email account, so I may not get your email correctly. You know, sometimes I'm losing your email. So, but if you email me through Gmail account, it is guaranteed for you that I receive your email. And then here, I don't usually respond to you. So if you need my response, then please ask me, just receive the email or not, something like that. However, you know, there's some email such as what's the homework? Professor, please let me know this week homework, please. I'm not gonna respond that because it's already on the Blackboard anyway. So whatever you ask, any question through this email, you know, sometimes you can maybe confuse some material and then you need some extra help, and sometimes you need to talk to me individually. Those parts you need to email me. Okay? Otherwise, please check Blackboard first, and then also ask your classmate first before contacting me. And if you have a chance to visit visit the BMCC, then this is my office, so you can visit my office during these hours. Otherwise, you just let me know when you want to visit me. Is a time match with me or my availability, then we can meet each other. Okay, now, so one thing is, all this class I'm gonna give you some kind of quizzes, test everything, but here's the topic which we will talk about through this semester. So first of all, we just want to test what's the statistic, and then that part we will also cover data and also exploring frequency distribution and measure of center, the measure of variation, everything. So after learning this basic frequency distribution and then measure of variation, then we will move to the probability. Okay, after we learning probability, we will also go into normal probability distribution. This is the main part of this class actually, so I may give you a lot of homework on this part, and also may give you individual quiz about that. And then correlation and regression, so we definitely do it. Okay, so that's basically course syllabus. And then now we're moving to course information more. So if you click course information, so you will see this link here. So basically we have open test textbook and then recommended calculator and everything here. But one more thing I really want to show to you, which is on the course material here. If we go to course material, and then at the end you will see a lesson note. So of course we have textbook, so you can always get reference by that, but I just write the lesson note for you, and you just save it, then you will see the document. So I'm gonna just show to you. So this lesson note basically cover everything, and then it's really shorter version compared to the textbook. So I really hope you just read this lesson note and understand all the material. So I'm gonna give you all the course information and the course review and exam everything based on this lesson notebook, because this is kind of my primary some material to cover this class. And then because it is only kind of a 20 or 50 or 60 pages, so you may understand better, and then textbook can be your reference anyway. So I'm utilizing this the most. Okay, now this is all our weekly plan here. So as you see now, I only open week 1 material, and you click this, then basically I show that each week study guide. So this week we are doing understanding basic prerequisite arithmetic and algebra skill knowledge, and then now your requirement is watch those YouTube video and just do the homework basically. Especially discussion number 1, they create one thread on the discussion board, introduce yourself to the class, and then also at least 2 replies in order to get full credit. And then assignment, of course. So I'm going to explain what they are. So if you click assignment folder, then I already assigned you review assignment, and click this document, then you will see what they are. Okay, and then I'm gonna explain how to upload your homework, but simply you just click this week 1 assignment, and then just whatever you can take picture, you can do maybe save as PDF, whatever, and then upload through, click the browse by your computer. I really hope you have no difficulty to upload your homework through this computer. Since this is an online class, so we have no face-to-face meeting, so there's no way I can just access your paper homework. Okay, so if you really need some extra help how to do it, you can also email me, then I may just create one more video and then maybe post it here. But otherwise, I really hope you know how to upload your homework. Okay, and then discussion board, this is really important too. So I'm gonna just post maybe weekly discussion board, or hopefully maximum 8 or 10 discussions, and you must create that, otherwise you won't get also full credit either. So now week 1, as you see, I give you some detailed information. So create one thread about yourself to let everyone know more about you. The following things must be included. they're all 2 points. So what's your major, and is this your last semester, and how many courses you are taking this semester, like this anyway. Okay, and then you complete it. Also, don't forget you kind of reply minimum 2 replies, okay, based on some other classmate thread. Okay, so everything is basically scheduled, so I'm gonna just open whenever it's ready. So only discussion is available, which is the first week. Introduce yourself to the class discussion board anyway. So please do it, and don't be late, because if you're late like more than 1 or 2 days, then there's no more access your thread, everything. So then you will lose whole point. Okay, please remember that. So the last thing I want to talk about with you, which is grading policies. So as you see here, so homework is your 20%, which is based on your assignment grading. And also in this case, we have some policy that you submit on time, then you will get 2 points. But you're late, then 1 point, but it's overdue, then 0 point basically. And discussion board activity, so usually 20%, so 20 points. And then 3 take-home exam. As you know, this is the fully online class, so I cannot give you in-class exam. So I generate 3 different take-home exam. So if you do it, then there will be 60%. Okay, so like you see here more detail. The first take-home 15%, second exam 20%, and final 25%. Okay, so now they also, I'm gonna just demonstrate so how much point you will get. So on time 100 points plus bonus point. 1 day after due date 95 or bonus point. 2 days after due date 90, or 3 days after due date, then maximum will be 85. So please don't be late to submit, and you won't get any deduction point of that. Okay, so today we just take orientation about this class, the course requirement or the course information, and then what you have to complete each week. Okay, I hope this video help you to understand why you have to do it through this semester, and then I really hope you just successfully complete this class and then moving forward. All right, thank you very much.